Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account username. Instagram username is important because it is your Instagram account URL. Okay, let's see how to change it. Open Instagram app. Then tap on your profile icon right over here. Then tap on edit profile. Here you can see username. Tap on that. Now here you can type your new username. You can see whether it is available or not. If it is available, the tick mark on the right side will be enabled. If not, it is not enabled. Okay, here I don't want to change my username. I will keep as it is. Then tap on tick mark on the right side. Again tap on tick mark. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.